नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अनिता चौधरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मटेरियल मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVW. टुडे टॉपिक इज कालिका मेडिसिन पार्ट 2. Urine symptom: obliged to rise several times at night to urinate, pressure on bladder long before urine comes, involuntary urination when coughing, sneezing. Male symptom: complaints from coition, deficient sexual instinct, excessive emission followed by weakness. Female: menses early, profuse or too late, pale and scanty with soreness about genitals, pain from back passed down through gluteal muscles with cutting in abdomen, pain through left labium extending through abdomen to chest, delayed menses in young girls with chest symptom or ascites, difficult first menses, complaints after parturition, uterine hemorrhage, constant oozing after, copious flow with violent backache, relieved by sitting and pressure, respiratory, cutting pain, chest, worse lying on right side, hoarseness and loss of voice, dry, hard cough about 3 am with stitching pain and dryness of pharynx, bronchitis, whole chest is very sensitive, expectoration, scanty and tenacious, but increasing in morning and after eating, aggravated right lower chest and lying on painful side, hydrothorax, leaning forward relieves chest symptom, expectoration must be swallowed, cheesy taste, copious, offensive lump, coldness of chest, wheezing, cough with relaxed vulva, tendency to tuberculosis, constant cold taking, better in warm climate, heart symptom, sensation as if heart were suspended, palpitation and burning in heart region, weak rapid pulse, intermits due to digestive disturbance, threatened heart failure, back, great exertion, stitches in region of kidneys and right scapula, small of back, feel weak, stiffness and paralytic feeling in back, burning in spine, severe backache during pregnancy and after miscarriage, hip disease, pain in knees and thighs and hip joint, lumbago with sudden sharp pain extending up and down back and to thighs, extremities, back and leg gives out uneasiness, heaviness, and tearing in limbs and jerking, tearing pain in limbs with swelling, limbs sensitive to pressure, white swelling of knee, tearing in arms from shoulder to wrist, lacerating in wrist joint, paralysis of old people and dropsical affections, limbs go to sleep easily, tips of toes and finger painful, sole very sensitive, itching of great toe with pain, pain from hip to knee, pain in knees, skin burning as from a mustard plaster, sleep drowsy after eating, wakes about 2 o'clock and cannot sleep again, modalities worse after coition in cold weather, from soup and coffee in morning about 3 o'clock, lying on left and painful side, better in warm weather, too moist during day while moving out. This session powered by digital version 2.0 JVW. Today I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will dissolve it. Thank you.